Hey sunshines, this is CreativeStitchNDiva, your Graphghan queen, and I am here to give you some Graphghan tea. A-I-T. A-I-T. So, everybody is going on this AI kick. Everything is, I looked this up in AI. I got this image from AI. I got this pattern for AI. So I said, why not me try a Graphghan in AI? So I went into ChatGPT, and I saw that you need a membership, but you are allowed to use 5 messages, like ask 5 questions in the ChatGPT per day for free. To get extra benefits, member services, you do have to pay. I don't remember the exact amount because I wasn't doing that, but you pay. But one thing I did notice is that you can get 5 messages for free. And so I sent a text in, and the first day I did it, I think I overdid it because my mind is always going, oh, well, let me put this in there. Let me put that in there. Oh, it didn't come out right. It's not answering the question that I need. So you have to be really, 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 really specific with ChatGPT. You have to be specific. You have to put in exactly what you want and how you want it. If you don't, it's going to come out crazy. So I did 3 crochet patterns, and I had to literally write it out as I want a toddler crochet pattern shorts, and I put that I want a Graphghan heart on it. So in the beginning I just put crochet pattern, but then I realized that's not gonna work because when I put crochet pattern, it just gave me a pattern, a crochet pattern, which was an image. So I went back and I said written out. So crochet pattern written out with a Graphghan heart. And it gave me something. So I thought about it and I said, I'm going to do it. I'm going to crochet it. Let me tell you something. If you want a pattern and you cannot get what you want, it may be able to help you with the basics, but it is not going to give you what you really want. It's just not. I don't see it because I'm a little complex in the head, so it's not going to give me what I want, but it may give you what you want. So I did it. I did the shorts. And I just want you to know that I didn't even tell anybody I did this. I sent it to my girl, Gail, and her reaction was, frog it. Who you making that for? I wasn't making it for anybody. This is just to see how it works. But she just told me, frog it, rip it up. Don't get that to nobody. Why you wasting yarn like that? And I see her point, but if I really was giving it to somebody, gifting it to someone, like, you just hurt my feelings, sis. But anyways, I see her point. Then I said, okay, let me just make a matching outfit, all right? And the matching outfit, yeah, it didn't work the way I wanted it to work. So I was gonna do the hat, the top, and shorts. So a basic summer shirt, a basic summer shorts, and a basic hat for a baby. And it's not something I would do. But each one of them I add a Graphghan heart pattern to it. And what I wanted to know is, was it going to write the pattern out for me so that I didn't have to use a graph? It did not do that. But it did the first time I did it with the shorts. It did give me a so-called graph. Then I clicked copy and sent it to myself, and it kind of distorted it a little bit. So if I was new to Graphghan, it was not going to help me. If I was new to making crochet patterns, that's not going to help me. You have to have some type of knowledge. Some type of knowledge, some type of, this is how this is supposed to be done. This is how that's supposed to be done. You have to have some type of knowledge, because ChatGPT is just not going to help you with that. It is just not going to work. I also decided that I wanted to do not just the top, but I wanted the shorts to be to have the heart like on the side, maybe on the, like by the bottom part of the leg. And I didn't specify that, but even if I did specify that, it just was not going to work the way I wanted it to work. It also did not give me a direct size chart. So I said toddler, so I guess it gave me between like 18 months to 24 months. And it does give you a space at the bottom to say, you know, ask what size. And then it gave me a visualization. You could visualize what you are looking for. And so it would give the actual pattern, and then when you press visualize, it gives you a visual of how the pattern should look. Is that how the pattern should look? No, because it did not come out the way it gave me. So, but I just want you to see kind of sort of what it kind of told me to do. And yeah, this is the toddler shorts. This look like somebody grandpa. Look at the big behind. And the little short leg. Like, ChatGPT, what we doing? What we doing? Meanwhile, this is the front. So even if I wanted it to be on the back, who wants their toddler to have booty heart? But who wants their toddler to have crotch heart either? Like, what? And I didn't specify boy or girl, so it didn't matter. But who wants this for their baby? Yeah, no. So ChatGPT, we're going to take it to another, we're going to go another route. It also gave like a band, which is just pretty much single crochet all the way around. And then it gave me like, I guess 14 rows of the behind. And I guess I could have made the legs a little bit longer, but I followed the pattern to the T. Except for, it didn't tell you where to add this. It just said front panel. Yeah, so I had to do, like, I already know how to make shorts, but I kind of had to do this part like 2 times. And yeah, I just don't think this is for me. But if you wanted to try, you could download ChatGPT for free and try it out the way it don't even have to be crochet pattern. You could just try it out for whatever, if you need some writing help or whatever. But for it to check my patterns, I don't think I want ChatGPT to touch my patterns. But you could. I have a new skirts. So if you want to purchase the pattern for the skirts, I got you, okay? Look in the description below for the link to my shop where you could find the shorts. You could find, I have some pants. I have for toddlers, for babies, and the bear halter top. You could check that out. It's in my shop, CreativeStitchNDiva.com. And listen, we just gonna have to do this on ourselves, okay? Give ourselves more credit than, you know, this not for me. And yeah, Gail, I wasted some yarn, but this was a good lesson, a lesson to be learned. But you know, mine is pretty good though. You could check my shorts. It's skirts tied up, and this is for toddler size. It's cute, and it'll match your bare halter top if you want that as well. So again, my name is CreativeStitchNDiva, your Graphghan queen for all your Graphghan needs and tea. And if you want to learn more Graphghan techniques, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this channel so I can keep it going. If you need me to do any more videos on something that you need to, you know, visualize and learn, I will do a video for you. Just put it down in the description below. And if you want to join my Diva squad, which is the squad that learns how to graph like a diva, or you can learn how to do a Graphghan, or you can do both. It's a join button right there that you could click, and just for a small fee per month, just make sure you look at the tiers. You could be a part of the Diva squad where you could win, well, you could win prizes, but you could also receive prizes every single month. You could receive graphs and more, and you could go into my classes for free or a reduced price. So hit me up if you need more information, and I will talk to you later.